have few items to do today, so I want to take you with me what I'm going to do for the day. I really love this Fairlife milk. It is so good. It is home. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Margarita from my lifestyle journals. Today is another blog, like a daily blog. So I have few items to do today, so I want to take you with me what I'm going to do for the day. So first, I have just dropped my son in the school and I have some grocery to buy from Walmart, and I have some cool recipe that I'm going to prepare for this week and also today. So when I go back home, I will prepare lunch and then also have a plan to clean up my vanity, which is really so messy. So many items in the table. Need to clean up that and organize my items. So I have planned for that. Also will prepare dinner after. Also have 2 appointments in the evening. So yeah, that's all I have for the day, and I'm going to take you with me. I need help from you to decide, like almost the school days are finishing this year for my son, so I need some gifts for his teacher. So I have something on my mind, but I'm not sure. I need your help to decide on that. So my son loves his teacher so much and she is so wonderful, so I really want to appreciate her. So I have just bought thank you card for the teacher, and also have planned for a mug or a teacup, like a tumbler. So I'm not sure which one will be good, because I just bought one water bottle like this one from Amazon. It says best mom ever. So this is the tumbler that I am loving it. You can see the lipstick from me because I am drinking from this tumbler, and this is so cool because I love the way it is. I can hold it like that. The previous one that I have, that one is like a pipe is open, and also there is no thing that I can hold like that. It has a handle in the side, but when I'm carrying in my bag or when I am going to school at work, if I put it in any bag, it water filled, so that destroy my whole things in my bag. So that's why I was thinking about something like this. So, and also it is very cool because you can open and close. That's so cool. I'm loving this. So I was thinking to give a gift like this. What do you think? Let me know in the comment. I came to Walmart to buy some grocery and I parked the car a little bit far, even though you can see the Walmart close by, but it's little far to walk because I'm trying to develop some habits, have more steps and drinking more water, because that's why I'm having this with me. And this is one thing I'm going to practice. To wherever I'm going, I will try my best to park a little bit far, so then I have more steps. This kind of good habit I want to develop, so I wanted to share that with you. So let's go. Outfit checkup, so I was thinking when I saw this mirror, we'll do the outfit checkup. So this is what I'm wearing, my t-shirt and jeans and running or gears, running shoe, and my bag, my glass, sunglass, and my jewelry. I really love this Fairlife milk. It is so good. It is whole milk from Fairlife. It is lactose free, but sometimes I go for the red one, but it doesn't have red one today. So I will go for 2 Fairlife. I also like a chocolate one. I have one at home, so I'm not going to buy now. It has less sugar, so and more protein, so that's why I like this one. So we'll go with me 2 of them. Go for the Mexican cheddar cheese from Black Diamond. This will work for the recipe. I want to have beans and also beef and carrots. So this will go in. There's one I really want to take is, I'm not so fan of broccoli. I don't know how it will taste, but I really like butternut squash that I have at home. So maybe I will take one broccoli. And thinking about this, if I find this by itself, yeah, I think I have this by itself, so this is one. Okay, this will go. Oh, that's it. I never tried this salt and pepper chicken one, so let's try that one. Hopefully it's not spicy. I don't know how many are there. It says 505 gram wings. Okay, let's try that one. I need some shrimp, so to have this shrimp. That's the recipe that I'm going to make, so this will work for that. Shrimp. I'm going to try this antibiotic-free braised chicken thigh with bone, and it's $20. I tried the other one, this one before, but yeah, I'm going to try this company, the brine. Let's see how it tastes. So I tried this one before, so I'm going to try this one this time. Made carrot for the recipe too. So also my mom asked some carrots for another recipe. This can be ready to eat. It's almost right. So I have taken some. Those are not so ripe. Now I'm looking for 2 of them. Those are already ripe. So that can go. Actually, I need a little more darker because I have 2 ripe banana at home. So maybe this too. Fine. And I'm going to have some plastic bag for banana. It's 244 and also this one 244. So we'll go for the chopped one. It will save my time. I am so happy to see Siete taco mix and the taco shell. This is definitely going with me. Look at this all chosen food Chosen Food Company dressing for salad. These are all good because it's with the avocado oil and the ingredients are clean. Now going back to my car. It's quite far. Let's go at it. I know I can do it. It's a big parking lot and I'm almost there. So close to my car. I had a good walk in the parking lot. I'm a little bit pushing myself because I have back pain, but I cannot just sit down. Here I am. All good. So close it. So now I'm back home. I'm going to prepare the lunch with this salad, Caesar dressing, and crispy bacon. So this salad comes with a container. I usually buy uh, the leafy grains in a plastic bag, like a bunch of lettuce. But sometimes when I don't have much time, so I use this also. So there is a cut lettuce and also dressing and crouton and cheese. So sometimes I use that sauce that comes with, but I prefer to go with the avocado oil dressing. So that's why I bought this one from Walmart today. And I also have another chosen food avocado oil dressing that I use in my salad. So this one is salad dressing, Caesar salad dressing. There is different dressing comes with the chosen food. This brand I love. So I'm going to have this salad, this mixed veggie, like a Chinese curry, cabbage, carrot, and papaya, an onion, a little bit of potato, and also this pulao rice. And here I have chicken drumstick. So I'm going to have on my plate, so I will show you. Very exciting prospect, by the way. Callier moved out, does his club football for Lille. It's his 15th cap today. Massive stopped in his tracks. Like so. I really love this pulao rice. Looks out to the left for Nuno Mendes. And the football game has started. Maybe they are going to give another goal. And then on the top of that, I'm going to add my veggie.
Real credit here for seeing this. And you could just see him take off and you knew he was on. But to make those vertical runs and recognize those opportunities is key.
Ooh, that looks so cool. Thank you, Ma. Cool. Look at that. So beautiful. Rice, vegetable, more veggie and chicken. Yum. After coming from grocery and preparing lunch, I was feeling really so hot. So I had to change and I was watching the FIFA World Cup soccer game. So I wanted to eat and watch it. So that's why I chose this place. Otherwise, I usually like to eat in the table. Otherwise, it is uncomfortable to sit in the couch and eat. But I really wanted to enjoy this game and have my lunch. Now, time for the evening appointment. So we are heading towards that. When I come back from the appointment, I will make the dinner, and then I don't think I will have enough time for my vanity to tidy up today. That's okay. We'll do that another time. And I am thinking about my son's activities because he is watching tablet and we are having hard time to find out the activities that can keep him active on that. He is more like ever since the Roblox has come, all the kids are into it. So I am looking into the activities that can work for him. So I have bought one book, actually two books. So maybe that will keep him a little bit busy.
It's kind of hard to use these markers.
Tay. You like that, Papa? Good job. I added more vegetables and shrimp, egg. So it is really yummy soup that satisfy my hunger for dinner. So it's a very good meal that I enjoy at night around 7 to 8. I try not to go over 8 o'clock at night to finish my food, finish my meal. So yeah, if you like this kind of video, please give me a like, please subscribe and write comment that what kind of gift idea you have for teachers to appreciate this year for school year, and also what summer activities that you are planning for your kid to keep them away from the screen or give them less screen time. So I will love to hear your comments and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.